For this balloon, you're going to use two 260s. I have a lime green and also a mocha brown and a 5-inch white round. Blow that lime green one up so there's about 7 to 8 fingers left at the end there. And then the mocha brown, blow it about the same or less. Don't need too much of that. And then a 5-inch white round about here, and this is for the eyes. All right, grab that first lime green balloon. It's going to be the main body, and we're going to do a loop twist there. That's going to be the head. So make it a little bit bigger than that, right about there is good. And then I push that nozzle through a couple times to lock it in. All right, do a 1-inch bubble next to that, and you're going to pinch twist that. Okay, the next section is just a little more than 1-inch bubble for the neck, and then one more 1-inch bubble and pinch twist, and that's the bottom of the neck, where we'll place the rest of the body on. All right, twist about there, somewhere around 4 fingers lengths. And this is going to be the front legs, so do the same bubble on the other side and twist it all in place. You'll position that down, and the head sticking straight up. All right, the next section is going to be that main body, going about to there. And then do another set of legs in the back, and I just try to match them the same as the front legs. Twist that all together. I like to push this through at this point, because those back legs can come undone sometimes. All right. Now we're going to do a 1-inch bubble or smaller on the end. It's going to be the tail. Pinch twist that. And then that remainder of the balloon can be the rest of the body. So you want 2 bubbles there to make up the main middle section of the body. And if you have a little extra balloon, sometimes you do, you can just rip it off. Okay? Now grab that 5-inch white round and then twist it in half, 2 equal parts. And then just bring that nozzle around a couple times in the middle. And we're going to go ahead and just push that through that first loop twist we made for the head. So that's going to be the eyes, 1 on each side. Depending on the size of the loop twist and the size of the eyes, maybe a little tricky, you just got to force it through. So do what eyes you want for the size. I like it about there. All right, we're going to grab that second 260. For this, I'm using Mocha Brown, and just put that nozzle in right under the bottom of the neck and that pinch twist to lock it in. And this is going to go across the top of that middle section of the body. And then I just match it the same size as the lime greens underneath. And then twist that all together. You can wrap it around that back tail or just twist everything at once. All right, so we're going to do 3 of these sections. So do a second bubble here. And that outer one can be the same size, or you can make it a little bigger than the middle one to give it that shell look. All right, and then I just bring this side back around, this third bubble, to match the one on the other side that we just made. And wrap that all around in the tail, and then take that extra piece off. We don't need that anymore. Just pop that off. And then I just like to hide that in there. At this point, the air is not going to come out if you hide it in pretty good. And then just adjust it where you want. I'm going to grab my Sharpie here and then draw on some eyes, and we'll be all set. All right, nice work, guys. That is the turtle.